Guys, how are you? Hope you're doing really well. Welcome to this course. We're going to be covering how to build an app from scratch. We're going to look at what it takes to get your app put into the App Store. It's really simple. We're going to crack on, get it in the Google Play Store, get your customers another way to integrate your website and look at your website and promote your blog and your business. So yeah, this is going to be a really good way to learn how to build an app from scratch. Really excited to bring this tutorial to you guys. I have an app in the App Store. You can check it out, musicworkflowacademy.com. That's the website and the name of the app. And I look forward to teaching you guys from scratch. So well done for enrolling in the course, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Peace. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about logo. So the essential thing about a logo is it's going to represent your business. It's kind of going to be at the forefront and the first thing customers see. So you want a strong logo. It's going to build your brand, your reputation. When people see your logo, you want them to think of fun, happy, positive things and growth and prosperity, and make them want to get involved with your logo. So let's make a fun logo. You want to make sure that your logo looks good on everything. You know, if you're plastering it on merch, on your website, or on your app, you really want your logo to look good. So if you haven't got a logo, don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to use a popular website that I like to use for all of my designs. I use Canva, canva.com. Google it. There's a business version, but you can get the free version, which is what I've got, and you can do so much in this app, in this website. It's absolutely mind-blowing how good it is for making logos. So this is my logo for Music Workflow Academy, and there's a few variants of this logo. So one is without the background. So if I just delete the background, I've got this kind of transparent logo, so kind of almost like a sticker. So when I get my stickers, I can just plaster them in places and they'll look cool. Maybe have like a QR code somewhere on there, which we can look at later. So people can scan it and it'll go straight to downloading your app. We'll look into that. But I like to have a background, so you can literally just, so many options here. You can go background and then black, and then that's my kind of default logo. You can see something like that. And then I've got versions for like my favicon for my website, so little logos, big logos, shapes, you know, rectangles, squares. And something cool you can do on Canva is you can actually animate your logo. So if you click on this up here, it should say animate, and then you have a time how long it's going to animate for. You've got these different animations. So you've got breathe, fade, pan, rise, tumble. And if you scroll down, they've added some new ones. Some really nice ones. So my favourite out of those is probably, there's a lot of good ones. Breathe. So all you do is 5 seconds, that's cool. You can get it as an MP4. They give you a little motivational quote about design. Good design encourages a viewer to want to learn more. Alexander Isley, totally agree with that. And then once your design is exported, you're going to have it on your computer, and then you can plaster that on your app, on your website. You want it to fit anywhere. You know, if you've got a massive football stadium, you want your design to be there, looking good. So I also recommend doing different shapes of your design. So I'll just show you how you can do that very quickly. So once you've got your design downloaded, we can then use it and shape it, reshape it, and shake things up a bit. So this is just downloading now. I've got maybe 15-20 different variants just to be a bit more versatile. If I need to do a Facebook head cover thing, then I've got that, like that size. I've got favicon size 180 by 180 pixels. And if this downloads, cancel it. I'll just show you guys how you can make different size logos. So here's some variants, some informational stuff. I've been making Instagram posts on this with little tidbits of information, a couple album covers for obviously for my music stuff. And then if you go create design, custom dimensions, you can actually have different dimensions, and they also recommend some for you, so they really help you. You can have a logo dimension 500 by 500, Instagram post 1080 by 1080 pixels, poster, presentation, Instagram story, flyer, resume, card, your story, animated, social media. That's a good one. business card, A4 document, video, photo collage, infographic, invitation menu, desktop wallpaper, brochure, postcard, certificate, Zoom virtual background. Wow, they've really got everything covered on this site. Graph, newsletter, book cover, label, planner, website. Wow, website. Announcement, gift certificate, t-shirt, letterhead, ebook cover, video presentation, CD album cover, circle sticker, blog graphic, poster, letter, magazine cover, presentation, business proposal, invoice, calendar, invitation, portrait, worksheet. So going through these, think, what do I need? Do I need invitations? Do I need certificates? Do I need stickers? And then you can just come on this website. They'll give you a preset shape. So let's say I wanted to make do they have the Facebook one still? So they've actually got quite a lot. So Facebook, if you type in, so let's say Facebook event cover, let's say I'm doing an event, live pop-up, come buy some merch from me, stickers, everything. They've got cool preset stuff. And we're just going to hit it with a black background. And then you've got your uploads where you've got stuff, images. Here's some artwork, let's say I want to promote that, just pop that in there, align it in the middle. Something like that, and then we could maybe animate that, you know, special reveal, and then we just save MP4 video. Essential aspect of creativity is not being afraid to fail. That's a good one. But yeah, it's good for motivation. We'll just close any additional tabs we've got here, and then once that downloads, you'll see that I'll get like a video version of my piece of content that I've created, and then we can put that on our website, we can put that on our app. And yeah, we're going to look at building an app next and how to build it from scratch and show you my one. See if it does our last little bit today. Anyway. Alright guys, I'll speak to you in the next one while this exports, and then we'll look at building an app from scratch. Thank you guys, peace. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to build an app from scratch with no prior knowledge, no coding skills, no source, no Java, no CSS, no jargon. Let's get straight into it. We're going to be showing you our app design. As we spoke about in the last lesson, you know, we've got our logo here. It's really important that we have a versatile logo that can be used anywhere, and a few different shapes and variants, so that it'll start to make sense now if it didn't before. So here we have to enter what our logo looks like for iOS, Android, and PWA. So PWA is like the web version of the app, which you can get. Now this is the logo. Like I said, we want to get as many, go on Canva, get 72 by 72 pixels. We can do that now. So if we just go home to here, create design, custom dimension 72 by 72 pixels. You got inches, millimeters, centimeters, create new design. And then we can quickly make a background, and then a quick logo as such. Tell you what, that looks good. Let's get that. Bang. PNG, you ready? Start making stuff. Nice. Okay, then we go to here, go to here, go to here, and then browse. Oh, it needs to be on a white background. Okay, so we'll just delete that and go bam. White background. Job's good. And then go back. Basically do whatever this says. I know it can be difficult. Some people like to do it in settings. I don't mind doing repetitive stuff, so I can happily just sit here. So we're having a problem with this one, so just go to the next one, keep it moving. I don't mind just repeating and doing stuff. Now favicon, so that's the app icon. So let's get into the actual building of the app. So if we go on this website, goodbarber.app, we actually get access to an app builder that requires no coding skills, and this is how I built my app from scratch with no prior coding skills. So this is a really great, genius way of building an app. You know, stay ahead of the curve. People are going to start building apps soon, so you can have products in this app. I've got my own t-shirt, which I'll show you how to make. I've got some space packs, I've got some Unity packs, all priced, ready for people to get. I've got collections, we've got clothing, sample packs. You can see your client list, so anyone who's bought or emailing you through the app, you can get them as clients. And then marketing here, you can do like discounts, buy one get one free. You can do push notifications. You get 2 million free push notifications, where you can get that little message and send one. So to do that, you would just go in here, your message, hello, welcome to my app. Say, hope you're having a great day. And then select action, open the app, and then we can send it, and then the people who have my app will actually receive a notification. Hello, welcome to my app, hope you're having a great day, which is quite funny. And then you can promote your app. So you've got to publish your app to stores. We'll get into that later and show you exactly how we can do that. But you can get people who can download your link to the app and get it on the web browser. You can have Android, iOS. This is really an all-in-one intuitive system which can help you build an app from scratch, which is absolutely amazing. So we're just going to get into the actual app building now. So we're just going to hit statistics. You've got your activity, what's going on in the app, who's visiting it, traffic. Nothing's on there at the moment, it's just a beta version. And then you've got page views, sessions, unique sessions, and you've got downloads. But you can imagine this is scalable. Everything I'm telling you is absolutely scalable right now. You can take this to the next level. And you can hook up to Google Analytics, which we'll go into another time, basically, so you can see the audience of the app. So let's go to content and design and actually look at the app building segment of the app. So this is the app that I have. This is my app that I built using Good Barber, and it looks absolutely fantastic. This is a real app. You can get this in the Google Play Store. You can get this in the App Store. Once it's published, it's all there. It's got terms of service, privacy policy, refund policy, fully functional. You can click here. You've got your logo, you've got search. It's all functional. You get this little circle browser button where you can go through packs, space pack. You can click on it. You get a bit more information, a new space pack, sample pack for the creator, minimalistic house sound which inspires a new tech wave of music, take a journey through time and space, available in the 16-bit depth lossless WAV. So that's the format of the pack. This is what you get in the pack. Listen to the demo here, bang, click that, takes you to another place, add to cart. It's all working. You've got your cart here, product 1, product 2. You can delete stuff from your cart. It's just a preview mode, and if we go back, you know, we can integrate so much into this. We've got cart, we've got my account, we've got terms of service, my real terms of service, which you can find on musicworkflowacademy.com, privacy policy, refund policy, you can the refund information on my website, about, nothing on there yet, and then we've got contact us, nothing on there yet. And then there's click this, it'll take you to my website. Blog, we've actually got some blog posts on here. So if we click on this, we've got a full blog post from me, direct from my website, which is talking about some useful music workflow plugins, such as RX8, Ozone. But yeah, no, it's really cool. Intuitive app builder, it's super useful. So let's say if I wanted to build a new section, let's say if I wanted to build like a forum or something, we've got maps, clothing, bang, click on that. Music Workflow Academy t-shirt. Wow, look at that. Legit. Settings. Amazing. So let's say, how did I build this app? Like, how did I build it? That's what we're learning here. So using goodbarber.app, you actually go add section, and then you get this whole list of things. So I'm going to break it down for you. You've got list of collections. By default, they've got women's and men's clothing in there. I'm not sure why, but you can just untick those, and then you can tick or create a new collection that you want added. You've got e-commerce features, so about, contact us, HTML, click to, blog. So let's say, what if I wanted to add a game to my app? So let's click HTML, and we're just going to call it game, okay? And then we're going to go add. Let's see, sections, map, HTML. So you can see our game section is here. So if we go edit this content, we can actually put HTML. So we're just going to go free HTML game. And then there is a website that I visit where you can get, not this one, this one, right, HTML free HTML game code. And if we can find it, this one, W3 Schools, you can literally get this really fun, cool game. Bang, we can play. And yeah, super fun. So what you do, try it yourself. Bang, copy that, and then we'll go back to our app builder and then paste our HTML. Save. Save. Okay, so we've saved. Go back to the game section and we've got our game in the app. How cool is that, guys? You got your score. Yeah, so simple, quite easy to use, this app builder. And you can just build it from scratch. If you want me to build the app for you, email me at omar.mayho@hotmail.com, omar.mayho@hotmail.com, and I will build an app for you, whatever you want, clothing, potatoes, pies, socks. I'll build you a cool app. I can put games in there like this and set it up. And yeah, that's the app builder really. Summarized, it's a really cool feature. It's a really cool system. And then obviously when you go in this content and design section, you can do like general design. So you can, you know, change your colors like this. I've got these vibrant colors that fit the same color as my logo. They look so cool. I've got my own text, font, I've got a centered logo, background images, colors. You can change your icon for the paneer, which is the checkout button. So if we wanted to change that, we can just click here and have like a shopping cart. Let's say if we wanted that, there you go. I like this one maybe. It's got stuff in it, means people will buy it, which is good. And then we've got colors, you know, your search button, which is nice. Got a back button, and you can add actions here. So we could add a button that takes us to my account, and then we could edit the icon to the key, you know, bang. And now we've got like a drop down where we've got sample packs, my account, so that's pretty cool. And we could change this to search for the magnifying glass. Then let's see, so we go on our app, bang, search, and then we can actually search up here, type in whatever we want. And yeah, just nice color themes. There's themes that come with the website, so you can just get out of the box themes. So let's see, global style. Yeah, so I've got a customized theme here, guys. It's kind of like a monochrome scale, grayscale kind of thing. It looks very professional. But if I was to do edit, I could, look, they've got all these themes, guys. You can just click. You can click and look, I've got a totally different app now. That looks pretty fun. And we'll go here again, and then we can just edit. So active menu, inactive menu, menu background. So like menu background, we could get gradient ones, we could get something like that. So let's say I like that one, and then menu background, app background. Menu, background, gradient. You can change the shape of the gradient, so fun. And I love it. Alright, so let's see. Let's just have this one for now, and then inactive menu, active menu, secondary colours. You've got to be careful, because some things that you change totally messes up the whole. Oh, see-through. Gradient. Let's see. There we go. Now we've got the whole thing glowing, gorgeous. That's what we wanted. So yeah, just a bit of troubleshooting. You've got to play around with things, guys. I did that by just deselecting and randomly clicking, basically. And yeah, some pretty ones. Really cool. And once you find one that you like, you know, we can just, I think that one's pretty cool. Perfect. So I'm happy with that. I'm sure you guys are happy with that. It's absolutely amazing. Do you want to apply these settings to the new pages of your app? Done. And then we can go back, design, we can change the font size, we can change the effects when we hover over stuff. Menu icon, back icon, really cool app. And then, you know, you've got your background. What do we want for the background? You can get stuff. And let's see, what else is there? Navigation menu. You can have like different types of navigation menus, so you could have this instead, something like that. A bit more intuitive for a touchscreen, or we could have a tab bar. That's nice. Go back. We could have a grid. Wow, look at that. Jesus Christ, that's gorgeous. So you want people to go say wow when they see your app, and I think this is doing the trick right now for me. Trust your gut instincts. Let's see. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I think I'm gonna change it to grid. Makes it look less, you know, looks profesh. Oh, you can swipe. Awesome. Now, you can obviously you can add a footer, copyright. Yeah. Bang. So there's that. You can change your home screen stuff. You've got widgets, banners, newsletters, sample packs, clothing. If we go to settings, team preferences, cookies, data privacy, app texts, head tag. We go dashboard. So that is the application in a nutshell. Next, we're going to go into launching it into the Play Store. Thank you guys. Really appreciate you for joining. Speak to you next one. Peace. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be going into how to get your app into the Google Play Store. So we're back, we're using goodbarber.app. It's an awesome little app. Once you've published your app, they're going to look over it, make sure everything looks bang tidy, sweet. You've got a little support tab down here which you can talk to people. But once you've given it 3 to 5 working days, they'll sort your app. They'll say, okay, it looks great. Now it's time for the hard part. Are we going to get it into the Play Store? Let's find out. So, once it's ready, you click here on Android. Your Android app can now be tested. Congratulations, your Android app has been built. You can now test it on your device before submitting it to the store. You can now have this QR code. You guys can scan this or open this link, which I'm just going to copy. That's a good link to have. And then You can launch your web browser on your device. Just paste this into my all that, and yeah, that's the app. Follow your instructions on the screen. For your Android device, you scan this and it will install into your app. Next, once you're happy with the test, submit my application. Let's get into it. Bang. You now go to here and you have the option to put your app into stores. So there's different subscriptions, but make sure you're happy with your app first. We'll get into that later. If you go not satisfied, you can modify your app. Here you have to do a whole bunch of jumping through the hoops, copying stuff from Google. It's pretty straightforward. I'm sure you guys can do it. It's really easy. And then you get crowned a ninja, which I am. Congratulations, you complete an important step. We now take all the necessary information to build your app. Once your app is built, you'll be able to install its ad hoc version, which I have on my phone. Not ready to launch it just yet, but we're getting there. The exact copy of the app will be sent to your store. Test it one more time before ending the submission process. Click here below to build your app. Build my application. Building in progress. Our old wizards are building your application section by section. So if it seems to take long, why don't you make yourself a coffee or eat a cupcake while keeping an eye on your emails. Once our application is ready, you'll receive telling you how to test it in real life and on your phone. If you don't want to check your email, you can download the My Good Barber application for free. Get a push notification when your application is ready to be tested. You will be able to trigger your download of the app with a link. There's even more magic in the Good Barber app. You will discover it as soon as your application is in line in stores. You're getting closer to the Holy Grail. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. Alright, so what we can do is we can actually update. You have added a feature in your app that uses geolocation. In order for this to work with PWA, you need to create an API code. The last update was done January. Progressive Web App. That's the PWA stands for, Progressive Web App. Native Engine. So yeah, that is the app summed up, guys. You've built your app, and here's where we're gonna, get the app into the stores. You send it off to Android. Once you've gone through GoDaddy, they'll be like, okay, it passes our tests. Now you can send to Android at a fee. So we'll be looking at that later, guys. Next, we're going to cover how to get your app into iOS stores. Thank you. Peace. Today, we're going to be looking at how to get your app into the iOS store using the goodbarber.app website. So we built our app. Everything's sweet. Everything's fine. They're like, okay, we love your app. Let's work on getting it into the iOS store together. So here's the iOS store. It's a bit harder to get into the iOS store than it is to get into the Android store. So once you've sent your project brief, which we can't actually look at right now, it's basically my testimonial saying why I want it in the Apple store, how it's going to promote my website, how it's going to look good for their company, how it's going to look good for me, and what the app's going to do to help people in the future with their music production needs. Obviously, I've already got my website, www.musicworkflowacademy.com, which is here, which will help all of you guys with your needs. I'm just going to give it a little refresh. Look at that, gorgeous. And so much stuff on here that's going to help people. And yeah, so that the website and the app, they integrate very cleverly together with links from the app taking you to the website and links from the website taking you to the app. And that's basically it so far. So that is how you get your app into the project brief section. And once you've done that, you get a Good Barber review. Your brief has been sent to the Good Barber team. The team will review to check whether it meets the Apple guidelines. And then after that, once they've confirmed it meets the Apple guidelines, you can then move on to the cost section, which is what we will cover next. I recommend making sure that your app looks good, guys. Like, go into the content and design section and make sure everything's tight. You're retaining customers' interest. It all looks intuitive and sleek, and you've got your logo. There's a strong brand presence, a strong brand image there, where you can promote your image, and people will love your app. and make it, share it and love it, basically. Thank God for that. And that is the iOS way of putting the app into stores. So yeah, you can publish through iOS via Goodbarber, using their review system, build your app, send a project brief, give them a bit of a business description if you don't know. Google business description generator. So let's see, business description generator, and you can just go here, generate a mission statement or whatever you want, and it will help you if you get stuck, guys. Not to worry, there's something out there for everyone. Google it, you got it. And this is how you put your app into iOS stores. So congratulations to you guys. You're now one step closer to the Holy Grail, one step closer to having your app in stores and pleasing more customers. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you're enjoying the course. Next we'll be covering costs of the app. The last hurdle. Thank you guys. Peace. Hello guys, and welcome to the last video in the course. Today we're going to be covering costs of the app. So to get to this screen, we first need to build our app, jump through the hurdles, then we can go to Android where the ad hoc version is ready. We can go to submit my application once we're happy with the app, and we actually get a 31-day trial period, I believe. And then you can enroll in either standard, full, premium or reseller classic and shopping subscription. You can do it by either month or yearly. So here we've got standard, which is €35 a month. What do we get? So we get a PWA app for mobile, tablet, desktop, which is interesting. Then we have our push notifications. You get 30 beautiful themes, unlimited admin accounts, discount codes, Stripe payment gateway, PayPal payment gateway, Apple Pay, digital wallet, and unlimited support tickets. I couldn't speak there. And then you've got full, which is good. That's €62 a month, which is one progressive web app. You get an Android app, which is kind of what we're looking at here. A push notifications, 30 beautiful themes, unlimited admin accounts, discounted coupons, Stripe payment, PayPal, Apple Pay, unlimited support tickets, and some add-ons. Now this is the one I'd recommend, guys, the premium package. It's €125 a month, and you get one progressive web app, one Android native app, one app for iPhone, one app for the iPad, push notifications, 30 themes, unlimited admin accounts, discount coupons, Stripe payments, PayPal payments, Apple Pay, unlimited support tickets, advanced add-ons, and you get an iOS review for free. So that's normally costs a fee. And then the final package is the reseller classics and shopping package, which is €267 a month, where you'll get unlimited progressive web apps for mobile, tablet, desktop, unlimited Android native apps, unlimited iOS apps, unlimited bandwidth, push notifications, which are unlimited downloads, SSL security, white label, and advanced add-ons. And then you get a €9.99 review fee with 12 free reviews per year. So I think, this is a good one if you want to build multiple apps, or if you're an agency and you're doing client development and you're building apps for clients. This could be a good one, where you're selling the apps on for people. And then here we have premium, which is what I'd recommend, where you get an app which is universal. You've got it in the iPad, iPhone and Android. And then if you click select here, you actually get the whole year fee, which is €1,500, and then you just go pay now, and then you get your app for a year. And that's how the Goodbarber website works, guys. I hope you enjoyed the course, and I will be enrolling soon. I'll be sending my app off once I'm happy with it, and I hope you guys get there also. I really hope you guys enjoyed the course. Check out some of my other courses. Make sure you check out www.musicworkflowacademy.com, and I'll speak to you in another course. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Peace. Bye.